In this video we'll show how you can run arbitrary Xbasic from an event in a dialog or grid component that has been opened up in an Xdialog window in a desktop application. So you can see here we have a simple Xbasic script called script1 and all that it does is display a message box. So you can see here we have a desktop application, we have a form, and we have a button on the form that's going to open up a grid component in an Xdialog window. And when I press this button on the grid component here, we're going to run script1. So you can see there we've just run script1. So this is demonstrating how from a event handler on a grid or dialog component we're executing arbitrary Xbasic code. So let's go and look now at how that was done. So if I go now to the grid component and I look at this button which says Run Xbasic, and I look at the JavaScript, I can see that I've defined a JavaScript variable called xb, which is the Xbasic code that I want to execute, and then I'm calling a JavaScript function which is present in all grid and dialog components called generic Xbasic UI from working preview, and I'm passing in the Xbasic that I want. So you can pass in any Xbasic that you want and run it from within the grid or dialog component. The only caveat is that if this Xbasic code that you're passing in contains any backslash characters, so if the Xbasic contains any backslash characters, you need to encode them using this special syntax here, and then pipe, and then 1, 2, 3 pipes. So you would need to write code that converts any backslashes into that sequence of characters over there. Actually, I apologize, it's actually 2 pipes, then a bang exclamation mark, and then another bang. So any backslashes get translated into that before you pass it into this function. So calling Xbasic from event handlers in Grids and Dialogs when you're using Grids and Dialogs in a desktop application is extremely easy using this built-in function over here. Thank you very much for watching.